Hello, and welcome to the Canada Immigration Matters YouTube channel. This is Pius Aquillugo, a registered Canadian immigration consultant with Chugo Immigration Services. In this channel, we provide purposeful advice for all those wishing to immigrate to Canada to visit, work, or live. In the video today, I will try to provide some information to those of you who have been struggling to get a job offer in Canada. I am sure you will find it very interesting. I have been receiving many questions from many of our viewers asking me to help them get a job offer in Canada. To be honest, it's not easy to get a job in Canada if you're outside the country, unless your skill is highly in demand. Most employers are looking to find a Canadian citizen or permanent resident to fill most of their job vacancies. Usually, if they are unable to find a Canadian or permanent resident, they will look for somebody who has a temporary residence status in Canada, such as a visitor or student. If they still can't find anyone, then they can look outside of Canada. If you're applying from outside of Canada and you have not received any responses from employers, I understand your struggles. Obviously, employers are hesitant to go through the hassle of bringing someone from outside Canada unless the required skill or expertise is critical for the survival of their company, and they have not been able to find anyone in Canada for the job openings. Fortunately, there are other opportunities for Canadian organizations to reach out and recruit workers from outside Canada. That's why this video is important, and I hope it will help you. If you're looking for a way to get a job in Canada, this video is for you. Just watch until the end. If you are looking for work and you're looking to immigrate to Canada to work, you might be interested in the International Recruitment event in Newfoundland and Labrador. In this video, I will provide you with some information on how to prepare for the virtual recruitment event and what to expect. The International Recruitment Fair is an opportunity for people who want to immigrate to Canada for work. The event is organized by the province of Newfoundland and Labrador. It's a great opportunity for people who are looking for work in Canada. I suggest you pay close attention. Let's take a quick look at Newfoundland and Labrador. If you are looking for immigration opportunities in Newfoundland and Labrador, Canada, you may find the following information useful. Newfoundland and Labrador is a province in Atlantic Canada that offers a variety of immigration programs for skilled workers, international graduates, and their families. The province has a rich culture, a beautiful landscape, and a growing economy. The province has two main immigration programs: the Newfoundland and Labrador Provincial Nominee Program, NLPNP, and the Atlantic Immigration Program, AIP. Both programs require applicants to have a valid job offer from an employer in the province. The NLPNP allows the province to nominate applicants who meet established criteria for permanent resident status. The NLPNP has three categories: skilled workers, international graduates, and express entry skilled workers. The AIP is a 3-year employer-driven immigration program aimed at addressing skills gaps and labor market needs in the 4 Atlantic provinces. The AIP has 3 categories: high-skilled, intermediate-skilled, and international graduate. To apply for either program, applicants need to register online and provide personal information and details about their work experience. There is a registration fee that applicants need to pay when they submit their application. You need to be prepared to answer questions about your work experience and qualifications. You also need to dress professionally and bring copies of your resume and a cover letter. Applicants who are successful in obtaining a nomination from the province or an endorsement from the employer can then apply for permanent residence in the federal government immigration program. You also need to meet the federal requirements for health, security, and language proficiency. Why would you want to attend the Newfoundland and Labrador Immigration Virtual Recruitment Fair? Let's start by saying that you will receive direct access to employers hiring in your field. You can network with different employers. You will have the opportunity to upload your resume, which employers can review in advance. When you attend a live immigration program information session, you can ask questions directly to immigration officers. You can also learn about the steps to immigrate to Newfoundland and Labrador. You would be able to learn about what it is like to live in Newfoundland and Labrador in terms of cost of living, lifestyle, jobs, salaries, population size, and much more. Let us talk about the eligibility criteria. To attend the event, you must meet certain eligibility criteria. You must have the required qualifications and experience for the job openings available. You can find more information about the eligibility criteria on the event website. I have provided the links in the video description section. Moving on to the registration process. To register for the event, you need to fill out an online application form. You will need to provide some personal information and details about your work experience. There is a registration fee that you will need to pay when you submit your application. The virtual fair event schedule. The event will take place over several days. There will be various sessions that you can attend, including information sessions on immigration and job opportunities. You will also have the opportunity to meet with employers who are looking to hire workers. Employer information for the virtual fair. There will be many employers at the event who are looking to hire foreign workers like you. You can find more information about the employers on the event website. You can also prepare your resume and cover letter in advance so that you can give them to employers at the event. Let us talk briefly about some interview tips for the virtual fair. If you're selected for an interview with an employer, it's important to be prepared. Dress professionally and bring copies of your resume and cover letter. Be prepared to answer questions about your work experience and qualifications. Here are some networking tips for the virtual fair. The event is a great opportunity to network with other attendees and employers. Be sure to introduce yourself and ask questions about their work experience and qualifications. You can also exchange contact information so that you can keep in touch after the event. In conclusion, the Newfoundland and Labrador International Recruitment Fair is a great opportunity for people who want to immigrate to Canada for work. If you're interested in attending the event, be sure to check out the event website for more information on how to register and what to expect. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to our channel and keep coming back for new updates on You Can Immigrate to Canada.